Welcome back to Uxo7 channel. Today we'll be solving the Rubik's Cube and I'm only 8! So first we have to do the daisy. Okay, see, we have this daisy, this little yellow thingy and these white things. Okay, now we're gonna put this, see this red part? It needs to go to the red side. Then you turn it twice, same for all the colors. This is already on green, turn it twice. This is blue, turn twice. And this is orange, turn twice. Now we have the cross. And we'll have the little minus signs. See, now we're doing the corners. Look for a white that's on the bottom and see what color's over here. And then turn the red to its side, like this. And then it either could be like this, like it is. And yeah, this is orange, so turn to orange side, go like this. This is blue, turn to blue side, da, da, da. You see, if there's no on the bottom, you just need to bring this out, bring that, so it can like get this white out of the top or like the bottom or something. Okay. Okay, see, now we have those little T's. Dun 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 dun. And now we are doing the 6s. So you see this, you find these two bond colors. Orange, turn it to the orange side, so here. And then if it's green there, you turn it to the blue side, bring it down, go like this, then this. Then you have to put the white back in. You go like da, 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 da. Okay, see that one in? Okay, now you gotta look for more. And they have to be without yellow. Green, and turn it to this side, go down, bring back, up, fix the white. Look for another one without yellow. This one. Okay, found another one with that yellow. Dun, 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 dun. Fix the white. Now you see we have the 6s done. Okay, now we just flip the cube over to see what we have. Seems that we have a hook like this. You have to face this red color now. And you have to turn it this way. Then do this, 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 and this, and then turn these two back. Then you have the cross. Now you got to do positioning. You have to make sure these are on its sides. So yellow, yellow, green, green, red, red. Okay, and find two sides that are correct. I'm looking for two sides. Okay, these two are correct, and these two are wrong. So you put it, the correct sides are on the left, the wrong sides are on the right. And even if one side is wrong, you still put that one wrong side on the right. And you do three on the right side. Now you turn it like this, do 3 on the left side. Okay, okay. Now the positioning should be done. done. And it's done. Now you just need to get the yellows in. So flip the cube over and pick a color to face. I picked red. Now you gotta turn so you have a yellow in this bottom right corner. Now you gotta do this, 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 this. Till the yellow pops in the bottom. Then you don't change the side of the color. You spin the bottom till you have a yellow. Then you do this, 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 this again. Keep doing it till the yellow pops in place. Turn to find the last yellow. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Now the yellow is done. Spin so one color is done. Okay, if you have one color done, now time for the final step. One on this side, one on this side. Then you should have these two T's. Okay, now 5 on this side, then 5 on this side. And do that same thingy on like up. Let me show you. Go like dup, 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 dup on the left side. And yep, 20. Dun 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 dun. And if you came back to the same place, you just have to do it again. 1 1 5 5. 1 1. You see, you do the right side like this. And you do the left side like this. And make sure to always face that color that's solved. And if you don't have a color solved, you can pick any color to face. And now the cube is done. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and like to Ooksville YouTube. Bye!